what part of your approach to the semifinals stayed the same today, and what did you change, if any, in getting this win tonight?
My experience as a coach, especially this young team, we have a lot of problem, on the history. Kasi the young team, we really lack on the experience as a team. Everything, the semi-final. I was telling to the team, before going to the semi-final, this is tough match in everything. That's why it's a challenge for us, for our mental toughness. And we couldn't get on the championship, but at least we can show our fighting space today. I think much better, and we need to work on it in the Mamba games.
Ay, na-limit ka sa 8 points nung tatlong laro. Kumbaga, ngayon ano lang yung naging mindset mo para makabawi ngayong may chance pa kayo mag-bronze?
Siguro po, hindi ko po gaano inisip yung laro. So, gusto ko lang po, and yung binago ko sa mindset ko. Kapag nandun na po ako mismo sa court, doon ko lang po inisipin para fresh mind po ako. Kasi the past few games ko, parang masyado ako pong may pressure sa limit ko. And masyado ako pong ini-intindi. So ngayon po, parang fresh mind lang po ako pumasok sa court.
Long road back for you, Rohan. So, sa dami ng pinagdaan mo rin, spending time away from volleyball, ano yung feeling to have your best performance here? And at a very crucial game din na a chance to bring a carry to the ball.